Okay, I I keep getting this annoying pop-up. I should have took a picture of it before I started this video. Okay, but I keep getting this annoying pop-up about this security program blocking this Bonjour mdnsNSP.dll file from loading. Okay, and what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and remove that file, and I want to record it. For anybody that is running into the same problem. I think they said that it comes from an old version of like some kind of Apple product, whether it be iTunes or Apple Music or something software, and it just doesn't properly update, like a good version of it. But okay, anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get into this here. What you want to do is hit the Windows key, assuming that you have a Windows laptop or PC, and the Windows key along with R. Okay, Windows R, and what happens is that'll bring up your run dialog box. And as you can see, I already typed this thing in here. What you want to do is type in appwiz.cpl. Okay, you type that in and go ahead and hit enter or OK, and the control panel is going to pop up, and you're going to see all of these programs and stuff. What you want to do is scroll down until you see Bonjour. There it is, Bonjour. Scroll down, you see Bonjour. You see it highlighted. Go ahead and right click it. Right click. And look at that. You can uninstall it just like that. Bing. Are you sure you want to uninstall this? Hells yeah. Yep. Get out of there. Leave me alone. Hey, look at that. Okay, the following applications should be closed before continuing. Hey, there is none. Okay, so ignore it. Okay. Looks like it's gone. But guess what? To make sure, what you want to do is go to Start and restart your computer. Now, if this daggone thing pops up again, something is wrong, but it shouldn't. Everything should restart just fine. But we're gonna take a look anyway. Okay, how about that? Doo. Yeah, man. You can do it. You can do it. So far, so good. All right, it worked. That Bonjour thingy is gone. Good luck. Let me know in the comments if you had any success with this, okay? Hopefully you did. Thanks. Bye.